Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Bybit to Gcash. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser. Then the first thing that you have to do is just simply open Bybit. Then just simply log into your own Bybit account. So after you have logged in, the interface will look something like this. Now make sure that you have some amount of funds in your account, because without that you will not be able to do any type of transaction. So in order to do a transaction, what you do is just simply go to the asset section right over here. And right over here, you will be able to see your current asset. Now, to withdraw funds from Bybit to Gcash, just simply click on withdraw right over here. Then wait for a few seconds, and right over here, just simply choose the coin that you want to withdraw. So let's say for example, USDT. Now over here, what you have to do, you have to enter the wallet address that will be available in the Gcash application. So in this case, I will be using Phantom Wallet because it is exactly similar to Gcash's wallet as well. So just simply open your wallet. So once your wallet is all open, all you have to do is just simply click on the receive option right over here. Then choose the crypto that you're receiving. So in this case, it's going to be USDT. And then right away, you will have to copy this address. So in your Gcash application, you will also get an address something like this. Just simply copy this address and paste it right over here. Then hit enter. Now, once the address is all pasted, choose the chain type. So just simply choose CRC20 right over here, or depending on the crypto chain that you're using, you have to choose the withdrawal option right over here. And make sure to choose the withdrawal network over here, because if you choose a wrong withdrawal network, you will lose your crypto forever. So just keep that in mind. So as you can see right over here, the chain type that I've chosen isn't exactly matching with the wallet address. So choose the proper chain type over here. Because in my case, the wallet address is Solana, as you can see right over here. So the chain type is going to be Solana as well. Once you will choose that, the error message will go. So make sure to choose the proper network. Now once that is done, simply enter your desired amount that you would like to transfer. And after that is done, just simply click on confirm right over here. And then within the designated time that is given right over here, your crypto will be transferred from Bybit to Gcash. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.